Hey guys, welcome back to Floor Plan Friday, where we're going to talk about the plan of the month, which is going to be the Everwood for February of 2023. This unique plan is 2,760 square feet. There's about 2,040 square feet on the main floor and about 720 square feet in the upper level. This plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and has a garage. So let's take a look at the floor plan and just go over some of the details and take a little bit deeper dive into the plan itself. As I said, a very unique plan, has an extremely spacious living room, dining, and kitchen, which are all connected together. So if you're sitting in the kitchen, you can look through the dining room all the way into the living room. It's a nice, spacious area for entertaining, for guests, family. And then you've got a nice, large, open kitchen area, which is where most people will congregate. But this whole space just invites guests and entertaining and family events. And so there's a lot of room here. You've got a lot of glass on this wall that goes out to the outdoor living space. So if you wanted to do accordion doors or sliders or French doors, this outdoor living space really becomes part of this living and dining room. On a beautiful day, you could open these doors and this outdoor, the indoors comes outside. So really a spacious area there. Got a large, spacious master suite with a connected master bath and walk-in closet. One of the things I really like about this particular plan is the large pantry area and this incredibly large laundry area. This would be great for our family and for our 4 kids. So you've got this garage connected. There's a drop zone in here where you can come in, take off boots or dirty clothes. You've got a laundry area with a utility sink, washer and dryer, a lot of folding space. So this is not your small mudroom, laundry room. This has got a very large laundry area with an attached storage area off the back of the garage. So a lot of really cool features about this plan. It's one of our newer plans, and just got a lot of cool features and a lot of storage and a lot of spacious rooms within the house. So let's take a look upstairs and see what we've got up there. You've got 2 spacious bedrooms for kids or for guests, grandkids, and then you've got a pretty standard size shared bath. There is some room, extra room here if you wanted to make the bath larger, or if you wanted to incorporate this as to a little reading loft area. There is no overlook here, but this is a nice spacious upstairs. And then as we move into our elevations, we can see some of the unique architectural features about this particular plan. We've got this shed roof over the living room and dining room. As I said, there's a lot of glass. So if you're trying to take advantage of that mountain view or that lake view or that view of the pasture or of an equestrian center or something like that, you've got a lot of glass to do that. So that's a unique feature about this particular plan. And then as we pan around, you can see the garage that is connected. This is the drop zone breezeway. There's a lot of windows in this living area, fireplace that could be kind of an anchor for this particular plan. Then as we pan around, you can see the garage. One of the things about the garage is we're showing a conventionally framed garage with a vertical board and batten siding, and then a shake siding up in the gable ends, just to mix up the architectural details. This could easily be a log garage or a frame garage with log siding if you wanted everything to match the main house. But we showed a few different architectural details on this garage and breezeway area just to show that you can mix up the architectural finishes in the design. So as we move around, this is the large laundry room area. You've got a powder room. You've got the connection between the garage and the main house. And as we move around the floor plan, this is your master bedroom area. So you've got a lot of windows in your master bedroom. You've got your master bath, and then you've got your walk-in closet. So these are some of the details of this particular plan. As with any of our plans, you can modify those. We can fully customize specifically for you and your site location for the finishes that you want. Obviously, there are different log profiles between the chink log profile that you see here. This plan can be done in the log-on-log profile, which is available, or if you wanted to convert this design into a timber frame design, that would work too. So the plans are very flexible. The home styles are very flexible. So this is just something to give you a starting point with your design and to try to figure out which design best fits your needs. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining us for Floor Plan Friday. We look forward to you joining us next month for more. Until then, as always, stay safe and healthy and take care.